Hello everyone, how is your day today? Well, today is a beautiful day and I hope you guys are enjoying a great time and the Lord has blessed you enormously. So today I will be doing fried fish. They are called herring sprat or sardines, and I'm gonna be scaling them. I am going to scale the fish like I'm doing right here, and after I do, I'm gonna be frying them and then fix them nicely with some onions, pepper, and carrots. Okay, so this one is almost done. I'm gonna be gutting it as well, and I'm gonna be taking out the guts. Okay, that's how we do it. Gut it and take out the um, the guts and the gills that's up here in the head of the fish. So we're gonna pull it out, and that's it. Okay, so I did one and I'm gonna do the rest, and just for it not to take up so much time, I will show you the finished product when I'm done with it. Okay, so here again I'm gonna be showing you. This is the second one. I'm gonna make sure that you guys see and understand what I'm doing here. So I'm going to take the gut out of the fish. I put a cut from the head down, just like that. And then from the head, I'm gonna go in and take out the gill of the fish right here, and the guts as well. There you go. So there you go. And you look in, it's all out. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest, and then I will show you the finished product when I take you when I'm doing the start frying it. Okay, yes. So after you finish scaling and washing your gutting and washing your fish, it should look like this, all cleaned. Okay, all clean. And then you'd use a lemon or a lime, as well as you can use vinegar to wash your fish. Give it some good flavor too as well, but it helps to cut down on the rawness of the fish scent. So you cut your lemon, your lime, and you would squeeze it in here and then rewash it again. Make it all nice and clean. Then you would wash and dry the fish before you start frying. So this is what we do. Squeeze the lemon juice on the fish. Then you use cold water to rinse. So all wash, and we're going to use a towel to dry the fish, and then we're going to start frying. So, and you put the fish in, and you dry. Okay, each one. So again, this is, the fish that I'm going to be frying right here in this pot. I'm going to turn the stove on. Here's the fish waiting to be fried. And I'm going to turn the stove on and put some oil in the frying pan. I'm gonna wait till the pan is hot, and then we're gonna put the fish in. In the meantime, the fish is frying. I'm gonna be cutting up onions and carrots to, fix with vinegar over the fish. And as I go along, I will show you the process. In the meantime, the fish is frying on the stove. I will be cutting up a carrot that I washed and scraped, and an onion with pepper from my pickled bottle to, saute and put over the fish after I'm finished frying them. Okay? So, stay tuned. See you later. So as you can see, I already sliced the onions, and then I'm going to shred the carrot here. Everybody did their stuff different in ways of shredding, but this is how I do mine. And then I'm be using the vinegar to saute these seeds. Okay. Okay, all done. So this is the shredded carrot and onion. I'm gonna be using vinegar to saute them. Yeah, so this is the fish already done, and then I'm pouring vinegar into the pot. Okay. Yep, this is the fish waiting to be Waiting for these nice, lovely dressings. Dressed up this fish that it looks nice. Okay. Show you the final process of herring sprat with onions and carrots and hot pepper. Right? Yes, so look everyone, this is the final product. So anyone like fish and like to do a little something, this is what we do. So we do it, and just make it nice and lovely and edible and tasting good. So here we are. Have a blessed day. Stay tuned, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a blessed day.